This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so thanks for waiting, everybody. So yesterday I was explaining you all the concept of customer master data, how we start understanding on the scenario about the customer master data. So I was writing on the board the process. This is what I was writing on the board yesterday. That is, in generally, how the customer is been identified in a company, and when creating a customer, what kind of information we maintain. Then I was comparing it with SAP, and I was giving you the inputs how we take up in. And then I logged into the SAP screen and start showing you all how to set up. Right? So let me log into the SAP system. Okay. So now yesterday we was setting up the account groups, right? How many account groups are there?
Sir, four.
Four
Course.
account groups. Very good. We started with the first one, right? So let me get into. So logistics general, business partner, customer, control, define account group and field selection for customer. So yesterday what we made, click on position. Already we started yesterday. Partly I have done and partly we need to complete now. So what is GRA1, right? This is what we made. Grasim sold to party. Double click. In this, in general data, we have activated this all, right? Address, I've activated all, optional, optional, optional. I explained how and why to be. Like this, all we have activated. Now, sales data. We are customizing which account group now? Sold to party. Now, sold to party got sales, shipping, billing, partner usage, and documents. Now, here, please understand one point. Let me go to the board. Let me take a fresh page. Now we are going to make four account groups, right? Okay, four account groups. Now, totally we have four views here: sales, shipping, billing. Just a minute. Just give a minute, please. sales, shipping, billing, and partner functions. Right? I'll make you understand better. Don't worry. Just a minute. So in sold to party, the sales information should be, shipping information should be, billing information should be, and partner function should be. So when we are setting up sold to party account group, in this all four views should be organized, because sold to party is the principal customer ID, right? So wherever you take the reference of customer, you take sold to party. From sold to party, the sales information; from sold to party, the shipping information; from sold to party, the billing information; from sold to party, the payer information. All are recognized through partner function. Still, you'll understand better. First, what to activate in which account group, just understand. Shipped party. At the time of shipping, sales information, where to ship, along with the bill. Partner functions is not required. Bill to party. To raise a bill, only sales information. Shipping, billing, and partner functions is not required. Okay. Just a minute. Done. So, pair. When you customize the pair layout, it should be organized with the sales, because to collect the payment from the customer, or when customer got to pay based upon the sale as per the bill. So these two details should be here. So understand this layout, please. మనము ఈ 4 లేఅవుట్స్ ఎస్ఏపి సిస్టంలో సెటప్ చేస్తున్నాం కదా. కస్టమర్ డీటెయిల్స్ అనేవి 4 స్టేటస్లో మెయింటైన్ చేస్తామని చెప్పాను. సోల్డ్ పార్టీ, షిప్డ్ పార్టీ, బిల్డ్ పార్టీ, పేర్. సో సోల్డ్ పార్టీ అన్న లేఅవుట్ని మనం సిస్టంలో సెటప్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఆర్గనైజ్ అయి ఉండాలి. షిప్డ్ పార్టీ ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, బిల్డ్ పార్టీ ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్, పేర్ ఏ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. సో ప్లీజ్, when you are playing the recording, please make a note of this table. 4 account groups we make, in which account group what to be organized. So what I was saying yesterday, an account group is an identification of the transaction. According to the account group, when selected, system should switch on the required information, switch off the unrequired information. ఇక్కడ మనము సోల్డ్ పార్టీలో 4 యాక్టివేట్ చేస్తున్నాం, 4 స్విచ్ ఆన్. షిఫ్ట్ పార్టీలో 3, ఒకటి యాక్టివేట్ చేయట్లేదు, స్విచ్ ఆఫ్. So what to be on and what to be off I have written here. What are the 4 account groups? Sold to, ship to, bill to, pair. What to be on and what to be off in which I made presented in this table. Now your doubt or question should be, sir, what is partner functions? What is partner function? This is what very important to be known. Partner functions and TNT. So if you see here, yesterday when I was explaining about, take an example of Amazon. Customer ID of Amazon, I said, from your customer ID of Amazon, they get all your general details. They get where to ship, they get where to bill, they get where from where to collect the payment. అంటే మన కస్టమర్ ఐడి అయితే అమెజాన్లో మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటున్నామో అందులో అన్ని ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంటుంది. అమెజాన్ గెట్స్ ఎవ్రీ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఫ్రమ్ యువర్ కస్టమర్ ఐడి, వేర్ టు షిప్, వేర్ టు బిల్, ఫ్రమ్ what is the mode of payment, everything. Your customer ID is organized with the shipping details, billing details, payment details, right? Likewise in SAP, I said sold party has a shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a pair relationship. It is all about partner processing. It is all about partner determination essay. The expression of relationship, partner processing, partner determination is all about partner functions. It's all functions. Sales got a shipping function, sales got a billing function, sales got a payer function. ఈ నాలుగు సోల్డ్ పార్టీలో ట్యాగ్ అయి ఉండాలి. ఎందుకంటే యూ టేక్ ద రిఫరెన్స్ ఆఫ్ సోల్డ్ పార్టీ ఇన్ ద ఎంటైర్ జర్నీ ఆఫ్ ద సేల్స్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్. సో ఈ సోల్డ్ పార్టీలో నుంచే ఎక్కడికి పంపాలన్న షిప్పింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఎక్కడికి పంపాలన్న బిల్లింగ్ డీటెయిల్స్, ఎవరి దగ్గర నుంచి పేమెంట్ తీసుకోవాలన్న పేమెంట్ డీటెయిల్స్ సిస్టమ్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా రికగ్నైజ్ అవ్వాలి. So when you determine it, the functions will be responding. So just understand first theoretically. Practically, how the practically it works. We are going through that. You will see everything lively. Just patiently understand the purpose, then understand how to do it. See, ప్రతి ఒక్క టాపిక్ ని 3 parts లో డివైడ్ చేయాలి. Understanding the business process. This is how to set up in SAP, that is customizing. How to execute in SAP. Okay, so yesterday I was making you understand. I started with customizing, still we are doing customizing. So after understanding, just keep going with setup. Sir, I couldn't understand. No problem. Just focus on customizing. In the end, when we see the execution, you'll get a clarity on this, you'll get a clarity on this. Okay, so give time for yourself and wait till it goes on. Okay, sorry. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so partner functions express the shipping details tagged in sold party, billing details tagged in sold party, payment details tagged in sold party. So sold party has a shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a payer అనేది partner functions లో మనం చూస్తాం. So by doing the relationships in the back end, setting up sold party has a ship to, has a bill to, has a payer, you get it represented, presented over here. Okay, you will understand that. So partner functions come only in sold party. Remember, partner functions come only in sold party because sold party is a principal customer ID, main customer ID. మనం ఒక ఎస్ఏపీలో సేల్స్ ఆర్డర్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తాం, ఎవరికి? కస్టమర్కి, సోల్డ్ పార్టీ. ప్రోడక్ట్ డెలివరీ చేస్తాం, ఎవరికి? సోల్డ్ పార్టీకి. బిల్లింగ్ చేస్తాం, ఎవరికి? సోల్డ్ పార్టీకి. పేమెంట్ తీసుకుంటాం, ఎవరి దగ్గర? సోల్డ్ పార్టీ దగ్గర. సో ఈ సోల్డ్ పార్టీ అనేది థింక్ లైక్ కస్టమర్ ఐడి, కస్టమర్ నేమ్. అతను చెప్తాడు ఎక్కడికి పంపాలి అన్నది, అతను చెప్తాడు ఎవరి దగ్గర బిల్లింగ్ అన్నది, అతను చెప్తాడు ఏ విధంగా పేమెంట్ అనేది. సో ఆ డీటెయిల్స్ అన్నీ ఇక్కడ రెస్పాండ్ అవుతాయి. సోల్డ్ పార్టీ is like your root customer ID. Sold party is like your main customer ID. Again and again and again I am saying. So please focus and understand the business process. So think it is your name. Think it is your identity. You tell where the shipping, you tell where the billing, you tell how the payment. So you are going to tell, so your application should have all. That is main. All right. So that's about the logic. Let me erase all these lines so that when you are playing the recording, you can write down clearly. Done. So this is the layout and this is a table we follow now. Right. Let me go back to the SAP screen now. Now here we are doing which account group? Okay, let me log in back. Kindly wait. So general data we have activated yesterday all. Once again I'm telling. Okay. Now sales data. Now sales, shipping, billing, partner usage, document. So we are doing which account group now? We are doing sold party. All four views to be, that is sales, shipping, billing. Sir, partner usage. I've written on the board yesterday. Partner usage, partner functions, partner processing, relationship, all mean the same. Versions change, naming may change. Relationship anna okate, partner processing anna okate, partner functions anna okate, partner usage anna okate. Don't get confused. So this is about fourth. So documents, what is this? It is for backend reporting purpose, which supports your ABAPer. So we got nothing to do with this. We just activate this in sold to party. It will not reflect anything in the front end during the transaction for us. It is only for backend reporting purpose in ABAP database. So only for sold party you connect this document also. In the front end you see sales, shipping, billing and partner functions presence. Okay, done. So first double click on sales. Two pages we got. How all this fields, what all these fields you will understand detailedly as we go. So here just keep moving this radio button all to optional, 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 optional. First focus on activating. అన్ని ఆప్షనల్ కి మూవ్ చేస్తే you will get to see all these fields how they appear. All right, back. Now shipping, it got only one view. Okay, done. Back. Billing, back. Partner usage, it's just one field. Business partner assignment. Okay, optional. What is business partner assignment? Sold party has the shipped party, sold party has a billed party, sold party has a payer. Sold party is a business partner who got a shipped party as shipping address to be deliverable, billed party as a billing address makeable, payer as a mode of payment makeable. Maybe one person all, maybe different. That scenario again different. We'll discuss that scenario maybe on Thursday by the time we go to that. Okay. So you're understanding every scenario, every topic with an maximum usage. ఇంతకు మించి ఇంకా ఏం యూసేజ్ లేదు. You'll see we are still customizing only. So it what was the way it is usable, I made you explain on the board, justifying this, what to be done, we started doing it. Still much more things are there related to this topic, you will see. That's the reason we are working on another next 2 to 3 days on this topic only. It's huge and vast. Step by step, you understand. First step, what to make. Second step, how to make. Third step, how to use. All right, and documents. So successfully, we have been set up the complete layout now. Sir, what about these all fields? As how we move on to the next level, these things will get updated. For example, in the next session, we are going to make number ranges. It will get updated here, like that other fields. Save it now. So our request pops up. Rasim, continue. Back. Done. So successfully we made one account group sold party. Right? Now we got to make other three account groups. So do I need to go to again new entries and move click on radio button next optional? That is one way. We have one shortcut also. What is that? I will select my mate. When you click on this corner small box, the entire row will be selected. And this is icon for copying. I say copy. Say GRA2, and here I just say shift to party. Enter. All right. So a copy of sold party is now updated in the database as shift party. But double click on this. General data. All to be active? Yes. Let all be activated. Do not disturb them. Sales data. This is shift party. In shift party, how many views? Anybody? Shift party, how many now?
Three, sir.
One.
Three. Very good. In shift party, only three. That's what I've written on the board, right? Shift party, we got three: sales, shipping, billing. Right? See, don't worry if you uh, give a wrong answer. You're just, we are in the session just now written, and just now I'm asking. It is not must you should speak just now correct answer. Start speaking correct or wrong. You mistakenly may tell four or three, and now I shown you, then it is corrected now. Then you will never repeat, oh, I told four, but it is three, sir, corrected. That will be remembered in your mind. So when a question is been asked, give an attempt, right or wrong, right, motivated, wrong, still motivated. All right, done. So shipping three functions. So yes, this is also yes. This is also yes. Cross check. Sometimes it may not copy properly. Partner usage no. Surpress. Moving the radio button to surpress, it is hidden. See, turn to gray again. Documents is also not required. Surpress. So sales, shipping, billing. These three are in blue mode. That is active mode. Partner usage documents become surpress. That is disabled. Save it now. So that's how for making the first one takes the time. After that things will go very smoothly. ఫస్ట్ లేఅవుట్ చేయడంకే టైం పడుతుంది, తర్వాత తర్వాతవి ఈజీగా వెళ్ళిపోతాయి. రైట్. సో sold party and shipped party we made, right? Now I need to make the build party. Select copy GRA3 build to party. Enter. So copy of shipped party is now with build party name. Okay. In every account group, general letter all to be activated. Sales data. To prepare a bill, we need to have only one view. No shipping. Bill prepare చేయడానికి సేల్స్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. అండర్స్టాండ్ ద ఫంక్షనాలిటీ ప్లీజ్. బిల్ అయితే ఉండదు కదా. సో
This conference will now be recorded.
what is required to collect the payment? It is required the billing information, right? To collect the payment, we require the billing information. So I should connect the billing details over here. So billing activate here. Save it now. So finally we made all four layouts now. Sold party as a layout, shipped party as a layout, build party as a layout, and payer as a layout we made. Okay. So understand this logic, everybody. Done. So four account rules we made now. What is next now? We made four account groups. What is next now? Next is all about the number ranges. So how to set up a number ranges, you all will understand now. What is the concept of number ranges, how to set up the number ranges. You all will understand this concept. All right. You all can hear me clearly, right? Everybody can hear me clearly, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Very good. Because I
Yes, sir.
see your mics are getting unmuted. Uh, you're also trying to speak, or I was not understanding. Okay. Please, everybody, stay on mute, please. And I see some of you log in twice. Don't log in twice. If you log in twice, your connectivity will get disconnected sometime. ఒక సిస్టమ్ నుంచి లాగిన్ అవ్వండి. అందరూ ఒక సిస్టమ్ నుంచి లాగిన్ అయినారు. 1 or 2 people I see. Okay, I'm discarding if I see such, so to avoid inconvenience. All right. Okay, done. So 4 layouts we made. Done. What is the next scenario? Next concept, number ranges. Why we need to make number ranges now? We'll understand. Now here, number ranges. What is number ranges? See, identification of a customer is a number. So we have two situations: internal, external. So if you set up the number ranges with internal mode, system will allot a number. If external, user will allot a number. సో కస్టమర్ని క్రియేట్ చేసేటప్పుడు కస్టమర్ ఐడి, దట్ ఈస్ అ నంబర్, system should give or we should give. One simple example I'll give you. You go to ATM. You are going to ATM machine. You are doing your transaction. System is generating the transaction receipt automatically. That is internal. You are going to a bank. The cashier is giving you a token number manually. That is external. అంటే క్యాషియర్ సిస్టమ్ని ఆపరేట్ చేస్తూ ఒక టోకెన్ నంబర్ని తీసుకొని మాన్యువల్గా మీకు ఒక రిఫరెన్స్ నంబర్ ఇస్తున్నాడు అంటే దట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్టర్నల్. ఓకే. సో సిస్టమే జనరేట్ చేస్తుంది రిఫరెన్స్ నంబర్ ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ జరిగినప్పుడు అంటే ఇంటర్నల్. బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈజ్ ఏటీఎం ఫర్ ఇంటర్నల్.
Manual.
బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఈజ్ అ బ్యాంక్ క్యాష్ కౌంటర్. So you as a trainee should know how to set up a number ranges with internal mode and with external mode. Okay, done. So let's see in the system how to set up a number ranges with internal mode and with external mode. So first మనం నంబర్ రేంజ్ చేయడం ఎట్లాగో తెలియాలి మీకు. నంబర్ రేంజ్ అన్నది మనం కస్టమైజ్ చేసిన తర్వాత దాన్ని ఇంటర్నల్ మోడ్గా యాక్టివేట్ చేయాలా, ఎక్స్టర్నల్ మోడ్గా యాక్టివేట్ చేయాలా అన్నది సిచ్యువేషన్. సార్ విచ్ వన్ విల్ హ్యావ్ మోస్ట్ యూసేజ్? 99.9% internal, because the system is operatable from many places. ఇప్పుడు లెట్ యూ టాక్ అబౌట్ అమెజాన్లో ఓన్లీ. మీరు ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ కొన్నారు, మీకు ఒక ఆర్డర్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. మీ ఫ్రెండ్ అదే ప్రోడక్ట్ ఇంకొక 10 minutesలో కొంటాడు, ఎక్కడో చెన్నై నుంచో ఎక్కడి నుంచో. నంబర్ మారిపోతుంది కదా అతనికి. అదే యూజర్ అలాట్మెంట్ చేశారనుకోండి, సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద కరెంట్ రన్నింగ్ నెంబర్, హౌ విల్ కమ్ టు నో? Okay, so just a minute, please. So what I mean to say is, if you maintain externally, the other person will not be coming to know what is the current running number, other counter, right? ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇప్పుడు గ్రాసిమ్ తీసుకోండి. గ్రాసిమ్ ఈజ్ హ్యావింగ్ దేర్ సేల్స్ కౌంటర్స్ ఇన్ డిఫరెంట్ డిఫరెంట్ ప్లేసెస్ ఆఫ్ ద సిటీ ఆర్ స్టేట్ ఆర్ ఇన్ కంట్రీ. When you are marking internal, system generates a reference number. All right. So when the company is having a multiple sales counters, always suggested to go with internal. When we go with external, external is all about one system setup, one person usable application. So he only knows what is the current running number. He only knows how many are being generated. All right. So understand this logic, please, everybody. So here the point is, I'll give you one more simple example. Think about a cinema theater. Not these days, during our childhood days. We used to go to theater. We used to stand in the line and we used to buy the ticket. The guy, he only knows who sell the ticket, how many tickets are sold out, what is the current running number, what is the upcoming serial number, because it's a one man show. But now think about your online buying sources of movie ticket. So you see how many, when you are buying a ticket, you see how many are sold, how many are left out. That's one way. When you're buying a ticket, you'll get the ticket number generated by system. And later, other customer buys the ticket from where? From USA also, to their parents who's living in India. Go and watch this movie. He gets the ticket number. What I mean to say is, operating the system, single user or multi-user. So obviously multi-users will be there, right? When the company is big, they have multiple sales counters, multiple sales employees will work, multiple customers are created from different places. So internal has the most impact. Okay, that's the understanding of internal and external. Yeah. So how to set up this, we'll see now. Now same path, just down to the account group we have defined as a number ranges. Let me log in back, kindly wait. Since I left the screen idle and we was working on the board to understand the concept. So here, Define and assign customer number ranges. Click on the IMG activity. Define number ranges here. Double click on it first. And please understand very carefully. Here we got three layouts: intervals, and NR status. Intervals is in display mode. NR status means number range status. That is what is the current running number. And intervals, this will allow you to create your own one, the change mode option. So if I click on the first one, it shows how many intervals are already available. So intervals and ఏంటి ఒక number count. You can 2 lakhs to 2 lakhs 60, 3 lakhs to 3 lakhs 20, 4 lakhs to 4 lakhs 10,000 to 4 lakhs 20,000. So a count between a range is the interval. So this, since this is a public system, you have so many occupied already. Because I am here to teach and you're here to practice, you'll see so many. But in the live project, you'll have a limited number ranges occupied. సో ఇక్కడ బ్రెయిన్ స్ట్రామ్ ఏంటి అంటే చాలా మట్టుకు ఆక్యుపై అయిపోయి ఉన్న ఇందులో వాడని కౌంట్ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి అందులో నుంచి మనం క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. So during the live project, you will see limited number ranges occupied for the standard example purpose. But here, since this is the public system, you see so much of occupancy. The brainstorm is we need to identify the gap of unused of any number count and create our intervals. I'll tell you a shortcut how to identify the gap also. So here I want to do anything also, I cannot, because nothing is there. It is just a display mode. How many are there? If I click on this NR status, it shows which number range is used how much. See here, for example, 7 lakhs to 7 lakhs 50. 34 accounts are been created and 34 customers created in the work. 34 numbers are occupied. Still, the account group which is activated with this number range has a scope of how much? 50 minus 34, 16. Another 16 customers can be created. So what happened after complete 7 lakh 50 is been? Then again new number range should be created and activated. That's how it works in the project. Okay, so just understand, here we have two options: select all, deselect all. No use. So these are only for reference purpose. The main is here. Here you got insert line option. Here you got delete line option. Here you got select all, delete all, deselect all. See, you have a delete option, but don't delete, please. Mistakenly, if you delete somebody's, it creates an inconvenience to them. If somebody deletes your entry, how you face? So you have a delete option in every stage, but don't delete, please. If you made a mistake, leave that again, make it freshly, because you're in the learning mode. Once you become perfect, then you know every move what you're doing. Then you will do it very carefully, right? Because some things when get deleted, it create lot of inconvenience to patch up again. Yeah. So you need to spend a very carefully, very detailedly, very leisurely, and very focusably the time in this layout, because so many already there. ఇందులో నుంచి ఒక నంబర్ తీసుకొని అది ఎక్కడి వరకు వాడినారో చూసి అప్పుడు మనది క్రియేట్ చేసుకో. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ నౌ. I just want to introduce you to the number range concept I introduced. With a fresh mind, tomorrow we'll do these number ranges and we'll complete the second part, and I'll write down the scenario of the third part of customizing partner determination. A chart, that is when we are interacting with the client in a live project, how he give the requirement and how we draft it. I'm going to write down on the board tomorrow. Following that chart, we're going to see how to set up on upcoming day, that is, what is today? Today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And after that, if time left out, you will see the front end part, or Monday you will see the output of how to create a customer with all the scenarios which I'm going to write down before I end the session on Friday. It will be very interesting. Just keep watching and keep understanding how it is going on. And if you remember, day before yesterday when we was doing enterprise structure, I was showing you the hierarchy, right? So when we were seeing the hierarchy, EC01 we gone and we was trying to see the hierarchy of Grasim. There, the warehouse was not responding at that day, right? I said we made everything correct, but somehow it is not responding. Leave for some time, it will update automatically. Now you can see. Under plant, it was just showing the storage location. After that, we was not getting this. Now see your warehouse. So this warehouse got stock of all this storage location, goods which are manufactured in this plant, maintained in these storage locations, and organized in this warehouse. That's understanding. All right. So that's how you get to see. So when something is not responding, don't worry. See, you are working on an applications of SAP which is backed up with so many program lines in the database. ఏ ఒక్క ప్రోగ్రామ్ లైన్ అయినా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్ లో కరెక్ట్ గా రన్ అవ్వకపోతే మనకి ఫ్రంట్ ఎండ్ లో ఆ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లైన్ ని మేనేజ్ చేసే అప్లికేషన్ లో ఇన్కన్వీనియన్స్ ఉంటుంది. ఇది టెక్నికల్. ఓకే. ఇప్పుడు మనం గూగుల్ బ్రౌజర్ చూస్తాం కదా, మనం బ్రౌజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, స్లో అవుతుంది, కొన్ని ఆపరేట్ అవ్వవు. ఏం చేస్తాము, వెళ్ళి కుకీస్ అని ఉంటాయి, అవి డిలీట్ చేస్తే మన బ్రౌజర్ రిఫ్రెష్ అయిపోతుంది. అట్లాగే సర్వర్లో కూడా బ్యాక్ ఎండ్లో బ్యాక్ జాబ్స్ అని ఉంటాయి, అవి రీఫ్రెష్ చేస్తూ డిలీట్ చేస్తూ కుకీస్ లాంటివి అనమాట. అవి రీఫ్రెష్ చేస్తూ డిలీట్ చేస్తూ ఆ అప్లికేషన్ సంబంధించిన ప్రోగ్రామ్ లైన్స్ రన్ మోడ్లో ఉన్నాయా, అవి రన్ మోడ్ నుంచి వెయిట్ మోడ్లో ఉన్నాయా, అవి అడ్మిన్ కంటిన్యూస్గా మానిటర్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. చేస్తున్నప్పటికీ కూడా మల్టిపుల్ పీపుల్ లాగిన్ అయి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తుండడం మూలంగా ఒక్కొక్కసారి ట్రాఫిక్ జామ్ అవుతుంది. సో వెన్ యూ మేడ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ కరెక్ట్, యూఆర్ నాట్ గెట్టింగ్, వెయిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఆ రోజు అన్ని కరెక్ట్గా చేసినాము, రాలేదు, నథింగ్ టు డూ. ఐ సెడ్ జస్ట్ గివ్ అ డే టైమ్, లెట్ ఇట్ డూ, ఆఫ్టర్ విల్ చెక్. నౌ యూ కుడ్ సీ. సో ఒక దగ్గర మనం కరెక్ట్గా చేసినాము, స్టక్ అయినాము అంటే అక్కడే ఉండొద్దు, నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్కి వెళ్ళి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళండి. మళ్ళీ ఒక పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం తర్వాత వెళ్ళి చెక్ చేయండి. ఆల్రైట్, thank you all. And tomorrow we work on number ranges and keep working everybody. And do download the recordings on time and pick, pick one recording as per your time and leisure and start following them and prepare your own note and then go for practicing without any confirmed, what you say, knowledge or confirmed understanding. Don't start practically. Labam లేదు దానికి. So your practice should be only after you understand what you are doing, why you are doing. You should understand. Then go and do. You told right click, I clicked on right click. You told left click, I clicked on left click. That is not the knowledge. Okay. So give time as much is needed. Somebody may learn in 2 hours or 3 hours a session. ఒక సెషన్ని 3-4 అవర్స్లో నేర్చుకుండొచ్చు ఒకడు. ఒకడికి డే మొత్తం పడుతుంది నేర్చుకోవడానికి, ఒకడికి వారం మొత్తం పడుతుంది నేర్చుకోవడానికి. అకార్డింగ్ టు యువర్ లెర్నింగ్ కేపబిలిటీ యూ షుడ్ అలొకేట్ ద టైం. ఒకసారి నేర్చుకున్న తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మర్చిపోవద్దు, బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫంక్షనల్. నో ప్రోగ్రామింగ్, నో లాజిక్, నో కోడింగ్, వెరీ ఈజీ. డే డే టు డే కామన్ లైఫ్లో యాక్టివిటీస్ ఎట్లా కంపెనీలో అన్నది తెలుసుకొని సిస్టమ్లో సెటప్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇంతకన్నా ఈజీ ఇంకేమైనా ఉంటుందా? నథింగ్. వెన్ యూ స్టార్ట్ లర్నింగ్ యూ విల్ ఎంజాయ్ ఇట్. If you're not learning, you will feel overloaded. Okay, so don't delay, don't waste time, don't make it overloaded for you. All right, thank you all, and do join with the same meeting link. Meeting link ప్రతిరోజు సేమే ఉంటుంది. Don't ask me for the new link. It's the same link every day. If the meeting link changes, I'll give you the new meeting link one day in advance before it's. So every day, do join on time with the same meeting link. So thank you, everybody.